Alrighty. Hi guys, welcome back to SNR Vlogs. Today, as you know by the title, we are going to be making jelly cube slime. So what I'm going to do, or what you need for this is a mixing container, airtight mixing container, for storage, a spoon, activator, glue, and of course, your magic erasers. Okay, so now for the satisfaction, just to make sure these are the right ones, I am going to be cutting them, and these are just my mom's. They're magic erasers. I know some people use other ones, so I'm just gonna let y'all get a close-up of this. Here we go. It's pretty close up, huh? Right. I'm gonna see. Okay, so when you're doing this, you should make sure that, well, I can't talk to you guys. So some of them come in packs with like soap or whatever in them. Make sure to cut those little things off. It's like a middle piece. It's like a circle, but it has like gel in it. But yeah, you don't want those. So I can use this little piece right here. So I'm going to make bigger blocks, but this is going to be a pretty small slime. So these are the blocks that I'm going to make. So I'm just going to keep cutting these. Here, I'll just stay with y'all because you know I can't pause. So I'm just going to... Oh, where did my piece go? Could y'all help me find my piece? Oh, I found it. Okay, it was just complete. It is here. But it comes in packs, and the bigger ones do have that. So what I like to do is I get as close to the circle as I can, where you can almost see it. And they're all in. There, just taking one out. They're pretty fun to squeeze. They're just full of soap. That's what they are. They're everywhere too. So I have one right here. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this. They are pretty satisfying to cut though. Just squeeze them to make sure. Let's put them right here. Make sure you have adult supervision. I don't remember if I said that or not. But these are sharp knives unless you're using a butter knife, but I still would be careful about that. I'm just giving you a warning. Okay, so no I didn't. Wow. I think there's still one in here. Oh yes, I see. There's one right here. I didn't even cut through. Okay, so I can still use these as little small blocks. Not gonna waste them because my mom is letting me use them. Alright, so this one should not have any in there. different sizes. I dropped one. Oh yeah, so if y'all are wondering where I got this container from, it actually is to this slime, and the red one is right here because it's on the tray. Because it got sticky, I should probably put this down, and I reactivated, so I decided that if this slime didn't work, I would keep this, and if not, then I would figure, and if it did work, then I would like find another slime I didn't want and throw that away, because I do still like this slime, and it's a clear slime. It's pretty slime. It has all the glitter mixed in it right now. Alright. Here's Sniffing. It's my boyfriend. Here, I'm just going to put the lid above you guys. I guess I could make the slime right here. Here, I'm going to pour it. Oh, this doesn't open. I'm wearing this shirt because I already got slime on it from earlier. I'm not going to make a whole lot of slime. I don't have a whole bunch of glue left up here. Okay, y'all look in there. Y'all see it from the outside. That is perfectly clear. That should be enough. If not, I'll add some more later. So yeah. Oh, and also I'm going to be using, there it is. Food coloring. I'm just not sure what yet. I want to make a blue though, because I think that would be really, really cool. Because I did a red last video, or like a pinkish red, and I still have it. I think it's really pretty. Blue. So I'm just going to activate this. I'm going to add this to it. 1, 2. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I think that's pretty cool. Can y'all see? Did y'all see it? It like moves. And I already. Ooh, guys! Stop falling for me. Y'all keep doing that. So I have my spoon, and I put like 5 drops in there. So I'm gonna mix this around, and I'll decide whether or not I like the color. Oh, okay, I actually put the right amount that I wanted in there. I really like this color. Okay, I'm not going to put in the things till after, but I kind of need this because this is wet and I don't want to touch it. Alright, so now I'm going to activate. Spoon is diving in. Okay, this slime, or this glue, takes a lot of activator because it's not necessarily meant for slime. So I actually put a lot in there, and then I wait. Okay, I'm going to wait till it's actually firm enough for me to touch it this time. Okay, I've kind of touched it, but I can take that bit off. It's not ready. Still needs some mixing. Especially in the corners. when I do it, it's still runny. Okay, that should be enough, although I'm just predicting. Oh, there's my doggy. Come here, Mose. You wanna get up here? Come in. Come on, buddy. Come in. Come in. He doesn't want to. It's okay. Okay, so now it's all bubbly. So now I'm thinking that it's the right texture that I would like it to be. Not sure yet, though. Should be. So I'm actually gonna put you up here. Don't want to get you dirty. You can see me mixing. So I'm going to move all of these over and pour this out onto the table. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's get in there. It's getting bubbly again, so that means it's actually working. Alright, so some of these strings from the slime are like attaching to me. Alrighty, just a little bit more, and it should be good. And guys, I think that it's pretty cool that some of y'all like self-teach each other. Because I know some people self-teach or self-taught them to make slime. Or like they've made their own recipes. And I think that's actually really cool because that's using your mind and be creative. That's actually how I started. Like I didn't like my first ever slime. The two only slimes I ever used to make on the internet from the internet was regular slime when I first started, and butter slime, because my dad kept telling me that butter slime was made with real butter, so I had to look that up. But otherwise, it's been different. Now I do watch slime videos, so the only other ones I've gotten from that is what type of fishbowl used to be, or fishbowl beads to use, and which magic erasers for this was. But that's it. Kind of figured that you either put kinetic sand or, you know, magic snow in thing. I've already put kinetic sand, like before Cloud Slime was actually 10. I put kinetic sand in there, and I actually have put magic snow in there before. That is the last bit I'm putting in here. I'm not making promises. I'm just trying to save because I don't want to use anymore because I don't actually get started to the real thing, and it's already taken me almost 20 minutes to make this slime. Usually doesn't take this long for me to make clear slime. But I do talk to you when I'm making slime by myself. I just make it, I guess. Alrighty, I'm going to take this off because it might stick, and I should have done that other thing. I'll just throw that on the floor. I'll put it on later. See if I can make a bubble with this slime. Yay! Making holes. I've also done this. I like doing this. Alrighty, I am ready to put these in, so I'm just gonna do the circle I always do. Just gonna put it like that. I'm gonna take a little piece and make sure, like, cause some magic erasers, like, they have different kinds of magic erasers. I know it's funny, but I'm just gonna try one. Oh no! Okay, this is a bad magic eraser. Alright, so I had these magic erasers and they got mixed with the other one. Okay, do this one. Okay, I do feel like this is, so I'm going to put this in here. Can't see it anymore. I'm going to move the knife. I think that might be a good idea. Alrighty. These are weirdly shaped, but who cares? I'm gonna go in with packs at a time. So I'm gonna put like 6 in at a time and then mix, and then 6 in. Whoa! It's kind of cool. Watch, ready? Here, I'll get it close up. Aww. Oh! Y'all landed face first. And the slime. You also zoomed in on me. Two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I'm gonna try and show you this next time. Don't know if y'all seen this before, but they make bubbles when you squeeze them. Okay, so I actually love this slime a lot. It's like iceberg slime. Here, I'm gonna try to take one out. It's like a squishy when you take them out. They do rise back. You can see this one rising back here. I'll try to get another one. Ready? Okay, let's do another 6, shall we? Let's try to do a slime swirl. I love pinching them. Getting harder to poke them in, but I can always mix them in. It's 5 and 6. 6. I don't think we're going to add any more, maybe like the big ones, but we'll save some of the little ones for another one. Alright, that's it for the video, guys. This slime is super cool. I'm going to figure out, because I do like this slime, it did work out, so I'm going to figure out what to do with this slime, or the other slime, because, like, I don't have a container to put it in, and I'm thinking I might put it in this one. Because I do like the other two, and I can just reactivate those. But this one looks gross, and it's not playable, but it will come out of the container. You can't play with it, but you can surely dump it out. So that's all I have for you guys today. So yeah, bye guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.